Hi and welcome back to QuizzyQuest. Can you answer all questions correctly? Please subscribe and like to support the channel. What type of cooking method uses a wok? Is it A, stir fry, B, grilling, or C, boiling? It is A, stir fry. What was a major outcome of the Arab Spring that began in 2010? Is it A, environmental reforms, B, economic growth, or C, political uprisings? It is C, political uprisings. Which business model does Porter's generic strategies describe? Is it A, market segmentation, B, differentiation strategy, or C, cost leadership? It is C, cost leadership. Which song is Demi Lovato known for that became a major hit in 2013? Is it A, Heart Attack, B, Skyscraper, or C, Let It Go? It is A, Heart Attack. Which philosophical concept is Herbert Marcuse most known for critiquing in his work, One-Dimensional Man? Is it A, existentialism, B, consumerism, or C, structuralism? It is B, consumerism. What is sagittal septum syndrome? Is it A, heart defect, B, bone disease, or C, brain disorder? It is A, heart defect. What is the primary product of Oracle Corporation known for database management? Is it A, Oracle Database, B, Oracle Cloud, or C, Oracle Java? It is A, Oracle Database. Which Pulitzer Prize-winning album was released by Kendrick Lamar in 2017? Is it A, To Pimp a Butterfly, B, Damn, or C, Good Kid, Massachusetts, AD City? It is B, Damn. Which field is the California Institute of Technology, Caltech, primarily known for? Is it A, business, B, literature, or C, science and engineering? It is C, science and engineering. What is Riz Ahmed known for? Is it A, cooking, B, sports, or C, acting? It is C, acting. What is the most notable characteristic of tourmaline as a mineral? Is it A, high density, B, color variety, or C, magnetic properties? It is B, color variety. What type of cuisine is harissa primarily associated with? Is it A, Mexican, B, Japanese, or C, North African? It is C, North African. Which club has won the most UEFA Champions League titles? Is it A, FC Barcelona, B, AC Milan, or C, Real Madrid? It is C, Real Madrid. What is the primary focus of the film series The Matrix? Is it A, outer space, B, virtual reality, or C, historical events? It is B, virtual reality. What type of natural feature is Lake Ritsa located in Abkhazia known for? Is it A, ocean bay, B, volcano, or C, freshwater lake? It is C, freshwater lake. Which Mexican artist is known for her self-portraits and vibrant use of color? Is it A, Diego Rivera, B, Frida Kahlo, or C, Pablo Picasso? It is B, Frida Kahlo. What type of service does Squarespace primarily provide? Is it A, video editing, B, website building, or C, social networking? It is B, website building. Which sculpture is Michelangelo famous for creating that depicts a biblical figure with a slingshot? Is it A, Venus, B, David, or C, Zeus? It is B, David. What is coerced confession in law? Is it A, false imprisonment, B, voluntary statement, or C, extracted testimony? It is A, false imprisonment. Which Oscar-winning film starred Jennifer Lawrence as a young woman trying to survive in a dystopian world? Is it A, American Hustle, B, Silver Linings Playbook, or C, The Hunger Games? It is C, The Hunger Games. What is the primary political office held by Joe Biden as of 2023? Is it A, Governor, B, President, or C, Senator? It is B, President. What is the color traditionally associated with St. Patrick's Day in Ireland? Is it A, green, B, blue, or C, red? It is A, green. What is the primary use of the Fourier transform in mathematics? Is it A, linear equations, B, matrix multiplication, or C, signal processing? It is C, signal processing. Which ocean does the Beaufort Sea belong to? Is it A, Atlantic Ocean, B, Arctic Ocean, or C, Indian Ocean? It is B, Arctic Ocean. Which famous theory of evolution was inspired by Charles Darwin's observations on the Galapagos Islands? Is it A, intelligent design, B, Lamarckism, or C, natural selection? It is C, natural selection. Which film earned Saoirse Ronan an Academy Award nomination for Best Actress in 2016? Is it A, Little Women, B, Lady Bird, or C, Brooklyn? It is C, Brooklyn. Which Swiss dish involves melting cheese and scraping it onto potatoes or bread? Is it A, fondue, B, raclette, or C, rosti? It is B, raclette. Which astronomical instrument did Galileo Galilei famously improve to observe celestial bodies? Is it A, telescope, B, microscope, or C, barometer? It is A, telescope. Which type of title is commonly associated with the name Don in Spanish-speaking cultures? Is it A, doctor, B, sir, or C, captain? It is B, sir. What is the standard weight of the shot used in men's shot put competitions? Is it A, 5.00 kilograms, B, 7.26 kilograms, or C, 4.00 kilograms? It is B, 7.26 kilograms. What is the prestigious trophy awarded to the winner of the Open Championship in golf? Is it A, claret jug, B, Ryder Cup, or C, green jacket? It is A, claret jug. What is James Cook best known for in the field of exploration? Is it A, discovering America, B, mapping the Pacific, or C, exploring Antarctica? It is B, mapping the Pacific. What is the primary use of facial recognition technology? Is it A, analyzing voices, B, identifying individuals, or C, detecting emotions? It is B, identifying individuals. What type of event is Lollapalooza primarily known for? Is it A, food fair, B, art exhibition, or C, music festival? It is C, music festival. What is the Holy Book of Christianity called? Is it A, Bible, B, Quran, or C, Vedas? It is A, Bible. What annual celebration in New Orleans is famous for parades and masks? Is it A, Cinco de Mayo, B, Carnival, or C, Mardi Gras? It is C, Mardi Gras. What is commonly considered an inflation hedge that investors often use to maintain value during inflationary periods? Is it A, gold, B, real estate, or C, stocks? It is A, gold. Who invented the first mechanical television? Is it A, Nikola Tesla, B, Thomas Edison, or C, John Logie Baird? It is C, John Logie Baird. Which territory did Otto von Bismarck help to unify under the German Empire in 1871? Is it A, Austria, B, Germany, or C, Switzerland? It is B, Germany. Which iconic song from Fleetwood Mac's album Rumors features the line, "Tell me lies, tell me sweet little lies"? Is it A, Little Lies, B, Go Your Own Way, or C, Dreams? It is A, Little Lies. What statistical test is used to determine if observed data fits an expected distribution? Is it A, chi-square test, B, t-test, or C, ANOVA? It is A, chi-square test. What type of cuisine is a calzone primarily associated with? Is it A, Mexican, B, Italian, or C, Chinese? It is B, Italian. Which prestigious Asian university is known for its significant contributions to science and technology, including multiple Nobel Prize winners? Is it A, Peking University, B, Tokyo University, or C, Kyoto University? It is C, Kyoto University. What is the primary language spoken by the Zulu people in South Africa? Is it A, Afrikaans, B, Xhosa, or C, Zulu? It is C, Zulu. Which leader is famously associated with the victory at the Battle of Tours in 732? Is it A, Louis the Pious, B, Charlemagne, or C, Charles Martel? It is C, Charles Martel. Which famous museum in Amsterdam is known for its collection of works by Vincent van Gogh? Is it A, Rijksmuseum, B, Van Gogh Museum, or C, Stedelijk Museum? It is B, Van Gogh Museum. Which Colombian singer is known for hits like Magente? Is it A, Maluma, B, Shakira, or C, J Balvin? It is C, J Balvin. What type of instrument is a harmonica classified as? Is it A, percussion instrument, B, string instrument, or C, reed instrument? It is C, reed instrument. What is the basic unit of heredity in genetics? Is it A, chromosome, B, gene, or C, DNA? It is B, gene. What phenomenon causes noctilucent clouds to glow at night? Is it A, moonlight reflection, B, sunlight scattering, or C, stars shining? It is B, sunlight scattering. If you enjoyed our quiz, feel free to donate via Super Thanks. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and stay tuned for more exciting quizzes. See you next time on QuizzyQuest.